Welcome again to Tecnologías. In this video, I am going to show you how you can know the Wi-Fi cable to which are you connected. What we are going to do is go to the settings and we are going to press connections. In connections, we see Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi. Go to configuration. In Samsung, we can see the password easily, but others cell phone don't have. We see the QR all. Enter your, and here we make a capture and go to Google Lens. In Google Lens, select the capture and we can see this search the password, and the password is this. It's very quick and simple. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.